Print, what we're going to do is fire off one of our premium banners. This is going to be one of the biggest banners that we make at over 10 feet tall. It's going to be printing on our HP R1000 printer. This printer uses latex ink technology, so it's safe for all applications. Our material that we're printing on is a premium fabric. It's fire retardant, and it will lay flat all the time, and this will be a retractable banner. So we're going to go ahead and fire this off right now, show you the printing process, and show you what separates the Luxe banners from the rest. Okay, so now that we've got the banner off of the printer, traditionally we put it on our table and we would trim it, but we want to make sure that this is ultra straight and perfect for you, so we're going to use the machine to do that. You can see now the machine is registering where the banner is, and it's going to come back, cut it out precisely, move it forward, and continue the cut, so we end up with a perfect rectangle. As you can see right here, the banner is already separated from the trim. We'll let the machine finish its job, then we're going to assemble it in the unit, and we're going to show you what it looks like assembled outside. Alright guys, John here, and now we have the banner in the bag. So the banner does come with this nice carrying case. I'm going to show you how to assemble it here. This is going to be the same print that you saw come off of the printer earlier. But as you can see, you have a shoulder strap with this bag, as well as the two carrying cases here. And we're going to go ahead and open it by opening the zipper on the end. And you'll notice inside here we have a main compartment where the main banner piece sits, and then we have a small pocket where the pole sits, so that they don't scratch each other. The first thing we're going to do is remove that pole. The pole has a bungee running through it and a channel, so we're going to spread it out and lock it in place right here. And we're not going to telescope the pole up just yet. You're going to need to go ahead and put it in the base first, and this is going to help you get it to its full height of over 10 feet. So after that, we'll put the pole here. We'll go ahead and remove the unit from the carrying case. They don't weigh very much at all. They're all aluminum construction, and the banner material is very light as well. You can see at the bottom of the unit we have swivel feet, so all we're going to go ahead and do is swivel those out, set the unit down on the table. And there's one other thing I'd like to show you before we get this on the ground and we actually start setting it up. And that's with all of our retractable banner units, you can buy an LED light that can be attached to the pole. It's right here in the box. And you can see it does come with a power adapter and the LED light that does clamp to the pole. So we'll show you that once we get the banner set up. Okay, so now it's time for the very simple assembly. We have the unit facing that way. So that is the front of the banner. You can see the back of the banner has the pole slot right here in it. And the first thing I'm going to do is just go ahead and set the pole in place. There is no screw, there is no key or anything, because the tension of the banner is actually going to hold this in place once we have it up. Next thing, we're just going to start pulling the banner out of the unit and simply slip it over the top of the pole right here. So this isn't keyed or anything, so it's just going to sit right on top. And then you're going to make sure, and you're going to want to take care of the top telescoping fold first. We're going to open that latch, pull this up as far as it goes, relatch it, and then go ahead and do the bottom one as well. So the ceiling in this room is a little bit under 11 feet, and as you can see, we're almost at the lights. So I'm going to turn this unit now so you can see the front of it. It's still not very heavy, remember, so you can move it around. This is not a unit rated for outdoors unless you were to stake the feet. However, I would be worried about the wind, especially at its full height. So there you go. This is the giant Luxe banner. This is printed on our premium banner material, so it's very, very high quality, matte finish, no wrinkles in it, perfect cut edges, and just a beautiful display to make a very, very big statement.